Oh, wow. It takes a long time. Okay. I will read through the questions for this thing.
Okay, which one are we on?
Lesson 10?
It's 10, right? Okay, that's where I'm at.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys.
Okay.
Now where's she going?
I'll be back, I promise.
Okay.
To use. No.
She's tending to somebody.
She's tending.
She's tending to somebody.
She's a mother of young children, so she's always.
I know. I remember that.
And so is Raquel. Raquel's a mother to young children, too.
How many does she have?
I have Crystal?
No, how many does Raquel have?
How many does Raquel?
I have 2 kids.
2?
And
Yeah,
tell her
3.
the
3 and 1, and I'm pregnant. The 3rd one is coming in July.
Oh my goodness. That's awesome.
I'm gonna die.
Wait a second.
I know I made you announce on the broadcast, but I wanted Kathleen to know.
So you have 2 Raquel right now?
Yes.
Boys or girls?
It's 1 boy, 3 years old, and 1 girl, 16.
Aww. Do you know what you're having?
No yet. We're gonna find. We are thinking about finding out this week because we have an ultrasound. But we'll
Cool.
know or wait, or we'll see.
Yeah. I could never wait, so I was too anxious about it. I always like to know, but I think that's exciting.
Yeah.
To try to wait. So.
No, I think it's the bottom one. Bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Where am I going?
Bring it up.
There it is. Okay.
What? Yeah, I didn't. It just pops down.
90%. Oh, I need my book.
Dude. Thank you.
So, find the margin of error.
What? What program? Oh, okay. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Okay, guys. Sorry.
Fine.
That's okay.
Having technical difficulties, so I had to get another computer.
Oh. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, so we already answered 1 and 2, which you answer on your own. Okay, so on to question 3. Question 3, it's asking, find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is sigma equals 50 and n equals 25.
Okay. Let's see. So there's 90%.
I always want to call that the score, but I know it's not the score.
Times 50 over square root of 55. Okay, wait a minute. So 5, so 50. 10. Times 1.6.
Okay, I have my answer. Let's see if I got it right.
Hey, I studied this really good on Saturday, and I think I've forgotten it. No, I did. No, I did really good, but it's going to take me a second to get back into this. So
you'll do great. You'll do great.
Okay, so did everybody else get it?
I'm getting there.
Okay.
You guys go ahead without me. I'm kind of lagging behind here.
Oh, we're all doing it together. Kathleen and Raquel, I got 16.45.
That's what I got.
That's what I got. Mm-hmm.
Do
Yay!
we have to round it up, the margin of error, or is that for, what's it called? That's for something else, I think.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, that was like the sample size or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's when you get M.
Yeah.
Oh,
So the margin of
that's
error.
for, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Okay.
so for confidence interval, we are finding the margin of error though, so we do round up.
Okay.
We do?
Yeah, it says find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval. And here on 5.1, it says rounding up.
Oh, okay.
So after sample size calculations, and then you round up.
Okay, hang on.
And the question says round to 3 decimal places.
But don't you think it would say round to the nearest whole number, not round 3 places?
I think it's, yeah, you're right. It's running to 3 decimal places.
Mm-hmm. So should we leave it 16.45, right?
I think so.
Unless we would do it round up to 16.5. I printed this out too small. I can't read it now. I know. I gotta take my glasses off.
They're like, wait, what?
Oh, so what do you guys think? I'm not gonna print this out like this again. It was terrible.
I think we should do it like that. Because it says round to 3 decimal places. And this one doesn't even have 2 of them.
Okay. All right, we can leave it. What
So
happened?
leave it at 16.45.
Yep.
No.
Okay.
Did you clean it? Did you clean upstairs? The garbage? What about your bathroom? Like Dad said? Okay, sorry guys. Sidebar here.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, now question 4. Which of the following statements is true? The first one is sigma squared is an interval estimator of x bar. B, x bar is a point estimator of mu, aka the mean, the sample mean. C, mu, the sample mean, is a point estimator of x bar. D, sigma is an interval estimator of sigma squared.
Huh.
This is such a weird question. Okay. I think it's B.
Oh, wait a minute. X bar is a point estimator of u.
I mean, Mackenzie's right, I think.
Well, I know right here it says that it's a point estimate. X bar is.
Okay. Does it say? I think it's B. But I don't know. I'm having a hard time pulling up my notes.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Right, one more time.
I think that's correct
Okay.
because what I did is I printed off the slides to the video because it seems like those really helped me last time.
Yeah, that's good.
And so, because he goes over everything, you know, and explains it and shows it really easily. So anyway, on this one slide about confidence intervals, it says X bar equals the sample mean in parentheses point estimate. So I think it's B or 2.
What do you guys think, Raquel and Crystal?
I think you're right. You both are right. Yeah, I think it's B.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say I would agree with you there.
Okay.
All right. So question 4, we're all going to put B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Now, next few questions. I'm going to go on to question 5. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation equals 113.
I'm gonna go with Daddy now.
She collects simple random samples of size n equals 64 and computes x bar equals 526. Use the information for the next 6 questions. Now, question 5, it's just asking, what is the point estimate for the true GMAT score?
I would say 526.
Is that she collects a simple random sample and computes that. So is that number considered a true GMAT score?
The true GMAT.
The true mean GPA. What 3 point?
Hold on, I just want to go back.
Oh no, that's correct. That's correct, Raquel. Is that what you said? The 526?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because there's another example here on the slides,
Okay.
and it talks about the point estimate. And it asks, what is the point estimate of the true mean GPA? And it is what that number is, the 526.
Okay.
So I think that's correct.
Yeah. You know, in the preparation assignment, it says the same as the one question,
Okay.
and the answer is what they gave us already as a mean.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Are you in agreement, Crystal? Are you kind of caught up where we're at?
In just a minute.
You're good. You're good.
I'm totally getting there, I promise.
All good.
Okay. Okay, so what are you guys doing now? You're on number 5, right? I didn't miss you.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so Gina wants to construct 95% interval of GMATs. She knows the standard deviation of 113. She collects a simple random sample size of 64 and computes 526. Use this information for the next 6 questions. Okay. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT
So
score?
95. So it is. Oh, standard deviation. So it's 113. Square root of
So it
60.
wants the point estimate, right? And that is the 1 point on the line, right? The mean or the value. So the X, the 526?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then I'm with you. I came to the party.
I'm back. That's so annoying. I'm sorry.
What is?
She's talking to us.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's annoying?
How I got kicked out of my own broadcast.
oh, and then you're back in. Okay, I see you.
I didn't even notice I was gone. That's awesome.
Okay, so number 6, the margin of error for 90. Are we on number 6, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval for the true GMAT score? Okay, so that would be Z times standard deviation
Times the
sample.
standard deviation over the sample size. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
The square root of the sample size, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, 113 divided by.
At
Fine.
least they're giving us
Oh,
easy
that's-
square roots.
What?
I said at least they gave us easy square roots.
Yeah. That's true.
Wonder if I got that right. Okay. My answer, I got 27.685.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
Are we supposed to round it or anything?
No.
Or just keep it there? Just keep it?
I
Okay.
keep it.
Is that what you got too, Crystal?
Sorry, the way I have to do this now on 2 computers is really time consuming. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Don't even worry about your time.
Mhm.
Like, I am working on it, I promise.
It's okay.
Okay. So what I got 27.685?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Woo! Okay, now question 7. Ooh. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval? Lower limit.
So I think we have to find out the
Confidence interval.
confidence intervals, so the 2 different scores, right?
Right.
Like the higher and the lower.
Oh,
So
you're right. You're right. So it would be minus.
so you take, where is it? Point estimate. So I think you do 526 plus or minus. Oh, yeah. So is it the 526 plus or minus what we just did,
Mhm.
which is 27.685? Is that right, guys?
Yeah. Minus.
Yeah.
That's what you said? Okay.
Okay, let me see. I got something else. Let me try it again. I got 498.315, but I think that's high. I don't know. I mean,
Okay, let me see. 27.685 minus 526 equals what? Is that right?
you need to. It's 526 minus what we just got, right?
Yeah, that's what I think it is. 498.
Yeah,
5.
yeah, that's correct, I think. So 526 minus 7.685 equals, so 498.315 and plus 553.685. Okay. Round to 3 decimals. Okay, did you guys get an answer?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Are we waiting for Crystal before we?
Yeah, I got it.
First-
Yeah, I got 498.315.
Yeah, that's what I.
Okay, the lower. That's what I got too.
Okay.
So 498.315.
0.315.
Yeah, did you all get that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Are we all
And then
good
the
on to
upper-
question 8?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the same one, but it's the upper limit,
Mm-hmm.
was the upper limit of the confidence interval? I got 553.685.
Oh, I haven't done it. Let me see.
That's
Wow.
what I got.
That's because Mackenzie's a little whippersnapper.
For
She
what?
is on it.
For
You're a
what?
little whippersnapper. You're on top
She's
of it.
she is on it tonight.
I'm
So what
trying
did you
to
get?
be cool like Crystal.
No.
Increase the sample size.
What did you say?
Oh, I wrote this down.
What would happen?
So-
Oh, sorry.
What did you get?
For what?
For number 8,
For number 8,
Yes.
553.685.
553. Okay. Uh-huh.
Does that sound right on your end, Raquel?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
cool. Are we all in agreement?
Yep.
Any objection?
Nope.
No.
We're allowed to have objections, people. As long as in the end we're all in agreement. Okay. Question 9. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
It would decrease.
Yes.
Well, what happened to the width of if Gina increased the sample size?
It's in the
Yeah.
answer to the following questions box in 4.2.
Oh, okay.
It gives you the answer right there.
It's on the slides that I printed too, so.
Oh yeah, there you go, Kathleen.
Yeah, you guys should do that. It really helps because it goes over everything that we do.
Wait, what are you
That's
talking
awesome.
about? The videos?
You know, in the videos that we watch that the instructor, can't remember his name, but there's slides on the left side.
You print out
You can, yeah, you can print those out. I asked our professor how to do it because I couldn't remember.
Mhm.
And I can tell you how to do it, but yeah, I printed all those out, and that's what helped me on the last test too.
Ooh, that would be a great idea.
Because I would print them and then I just like wrote the different, I studied for, I made sure I knew how to do all of it, and then I wrote the formulas, and yeah, so it's helpful.
Yeah, that's smart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 9 is decrease, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, I got that.
All right, number 10, question 10. What would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to 99% confidence interval?
It
What would
increased.
happen?
Okay,
What
so
would
that
happen
would
to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 9?
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it would increase.
Mm-hmm.
That's correct.
Increase.
Okay,
Okay,
we're
yep.
all in agreement.
We're all in
Yeah.
agreement.
Awesome.
On to question 11. Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? And it's saying round up to the nearest whole number. Example, if you get a 101.2, round to 102.
Oh, I remember this, but I gotta remember how to do it.
Yeah, this is the margin one that Crystal brought up. So it would be
So sample size calculations.
parentheses.
Oh yeah,
It's the N equals
yeah.
Z score times standard deviation or all over margin of error
Yeah.
squared.
Squared, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
had to
so
That one too.
So it's n equals, wait a minute.
Times the standard deviation.
Okay, we got to do 95%, right? So 95% equal is the 1.96. 1.96 times
400.
the standard deviation, which is, sorry, I'm talking to myself, you guys.
Oh, you're fine.
You're all good.
The margin of error 50. Squared. Okay. So n
I got
equals
246.
Me too. 246.
I'm not there yet. Hold on.
No problem. Take your time.
10.68. What'd you get?
I got 246, and so did Raquel.
Okay,
Yeah, I got
I'm way off then.
as well.
Okay, wait a minute. I did something wrong. So you take 1.96 times the standard deviation, which is 400, and you get,
784.
okay, I got that.
Okay.
And then you divide it by 50,
50.
correct?
15.68.
Yeah, I got that.
And then
And
square
you
that.
guys, oh, I did the wrong thing. Okay, I know what I did. 245.862.
Yep.
Mhm.
Then it's.
And so we just do we round it to 246?
Yep.
Okay, I got it.
Woo.
Okay. All right, I'm good.
Cool.
Everybody else is good.
46 for now. All right, so on to the next few questions. I'm going to read the little information for this one. The mean salary of actuaries is the mean of $100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with a level of significance, alpha equals 0.05, and the null is mean equals 100,000, and the alternative is the difference equals $100,000. You collect a simple random sample of n equals 36 women's salaries and find that X bar equals $111,000. Use this information to answer the next 3 questions. Question 12. What is the lower limit of this 95% confidence interval? Round to the nearest whole number. Wow, that is possible.
So
Wait.
we have to find, what is that? Okay. Standard deviation is, okay. 36 over square root of 36. So 6 times 30 times 6. Oops.
What's that?
8 times
Deviation divided by 6. Yes. Six. Point.
Okay. Now what?
It's asking for 95%. So 1.0.
So first we have to find out. Maybe I'm not even doing it right. Oh,
Wouldn't
maybe
it
I'm not
be
even doing it.
wouldn't it be the formula of x equal or x minus the level of confidence, so 1.960 times the standard deviation divided by the square root of the population?
Yeah, that's what I did. Hold on, I'm almost done calculating.
Sorry.
Oh, X.
1.9.
So I think we have to do that first one where you do the 196 times the standard deviation, which is the 36,730 divided by the square root of
36, so 6.
6, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you guys did?
Yeah.
And then we take that plus or minus the 111,000.
Mhm.
Correct.
Does that
But we
sound
want
right?
the lower.
I got
We just want the lower.
99,002.
That's what I got.
Hang on.
You're good. I wasn't sure which one to go with. I wasn't sure if it was, because you know how it was giving us the null and the alternative, but of course it's X bar. I don't know why. I was thinking 100,000 minus all that.
So what was the upper one? What did you guys get?
Oh, I haven't.
What is it asking? Wait a minute, asking for. What? Oh, what's the lower? Did you guys do the upper limit? I guess those are the next two.
Oh, wow, Kathleen, you're so fast.
Well, I figured if I'm going to do one, I might as well do both, figure out both, right?
She has to keep up with you, Mackenzie.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Wait, what? I did not hear anything.
I said she has to keep up with you, Mackenzie.
I'm trying.
It's just part of my charm. LOL. Probably because I have energy right now and I'm actually doing the whole.
That does help, huh?
Well, I don't know, because the last few times I haven't had a whole lot of time to finish some of it, and the other times I didn't understand any of it. Like literally,
Yeah.
not understand.
Yeah, it does help if you spend time actually figuring
Yeah.
them out. So.
There you go.
So what did you guys get on the lower?
Yeah, Crystal, what did you get for number 12?
Yeah, I don't think mine worked. I got negative 99,001.5333. Yeah.
No, I think
I didn't
I
get
got
it right.
that.
That's,
I got that. Is that
You
right?
did?
it's just 99. I don't think it's minus.
Yeah,
I think I just messed up the. I guess the.
So is that what you guys got?
Yeah, it's all good. I got 99,002.
If you
Round,
round it
up, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And then for 13, I got 122,999.
Oh, are we always supposed to round it up? Is that right? 'Cause
Yeah.
I got 122,998.46666.
Yeah,
but
you round up to the nearest whole number.
Okay, so 122,999.
perfect.
Okay, I got it.
Wait. 122,999. Okay, yes. Okay, that's what I got too. Oh, you guys good. I'm glad. I thought I got it all wrong.
That's what we're all here for, to support each
I was
other.
like, I must be doing something wrong.
All good. Okay, so we got those two. On to question 14, it's saying there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are A, a simple random sample was drawn from the population.
Yes.
B, sigma is known.
Yes.
X bar is normally distributed, or D, all the above.
All the above.
Okay. Wait, even C,
Yes.
X bar is normally distributed?
Yes. So if you look at, where is it? It was in our reading. Under
Yeah, it's in-
4.4
Oh,
requirements.
I see it. Yep.
Yep. So they're all known.
All the above.
Okay.
Do we dare submit this quiz, guys?
I just did, and we got them all right, I think. Yep, 100%.
We did?
Yes.
Yay.
Yay!
Awesome.
Why are we being
Very
quiet?
cool, guys.
Huh?
Awesome.
You need to go downstairs.
So are we doing the next chapter too?
I'm ready if we need to.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I don't know if everybody else is, but
How does everybody else feel about it?
I can.
So-so?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we could try it, and then if we get things wrong, we can always go back and work on it a different.
Okay. Yeah, well, let's
Right.
go for it.
okay. Let me find this. Let's see.
Yeah, let's get set.
You should go with Daddy. Okay. Go watch your show.
Okay.
I'll come and get you when I'm done.
Meeting. Okay.
My baby is very mad at me.
I bet. I know, that's hard.
The baby.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, and here's where we're using the T distribution applet. Okay. It's known.
Okay. I'm there if you guys are there.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, I'm there too.
It's not known. Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to read them again. Question 3. Oh, it's 16 questions? Ah! Okay. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We assume sigma is unknown. B, we assume sigma is always 1. Or C, we assume sigma is the same as the mean.
It's the first one.
Mhm.
Right.
All right. So we're all going to put A for question 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So information for the next few questions. It's asking for the next 2 questions. Let the null and alternative hypotheses be H null mean equals 8 and H alternative mu is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation sigma is not known. Beckett collects a sample size n equals 9 and computes x bar 11 and s equals 6. Question 4 is asking, is sigma known? Is the standard deviation known?
I would say no, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Wait a minute. What is S?
Oh, wait, but S stands in for sigma, for the standard deviation.
Yeah.
So
The sample.
it's just like in the normal. So yes, it's known.
So that one's not sample.
I thought that one was the sample. I mean, that one was from the. Oh, I must be off.
So can you guys see the very first part, the historical note? I don't know if you can see it or not.
Yeah, I see it. So
Do you see where the standard deviation is put in down below with the T, the student's T distribution? S is where standard deviation is normally placed.
You're right. I see that. Okay, you're totally right.
Yes, we typically do know.
Okay, so S is S is the standard deviation or the what we would call that, right?
Yeah.
So 4 is yes.
Raquel, do you agree?
So in question 4, are you saying that is what? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh.
Expert.
I not agree. Because I think it's no, because so in the it says assume that the population standard deviation
It's not known.
not known. So the S, it's just the sample standard deviation. But not the
Right.
population.
So because it's not
So
asking for sample standard deviation, we would say no, is what you're saying, Raquel?
Yeah.
I think that's correct because that is for the population standard deviation, not for the sample
Yeah.
standard deviation. So I think that's correct.
So saying no. Okay.
Yeah.
But here's the thing, guys. If we get it wrong, we know what the real answer is.
That's right.
Amen.
Awesome.
We got a plus on both ends.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna put no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Question 5. It's asking, what is the value of T? Round to 1 decimal point.
Okay, they gave us the formula for T in the lesson.
So T equals the sample.
Maybe that's what I was going off of. T equals X bar, which is 11, minus the mean, which is 8. So that equals 3, divided by S, which is, here, let me scroll back up. It's 6, divided by the square root of the sample size, which is 9. So that means it's 3. So it's 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it's 3 divided by 2.
1.5.
1.5.
When it's saying round to 1 decimal point, are we rounding it up to 2 or are we just keeping it at 1.5?
The 1.5.
Okay. I always get confused.
Okay. So the value of T is 1.5. Is that what we're saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. I agree.
Okay, Could you say I'm just behind, but I'm sorry. What did you say?
No, you're okay. You're okay. I was probably confusing everybody while I was working through that.
No, because
Fine.
We said 1.5, Raquel.
1.5. Okay, let me. Okay.
All right. So we're moving on to the next few questions. Information that's asking is use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis. The mean equals 98.6. Alternative hypothesis, the mean is less than 98.6. And level of significance is sigma equals 0.05.
how do you copy them? They won't let me do it.
If you go to your homework, I don't know if you can pull up another one of those.
Oh,
But it's in
and we
the
just
homework.
have to go to that, the body
Yeah.
temp thing. Oh, okay.
Is it?
Can you
It's the
guys copy
number.
it? Are you guys able to copy it, or is it just me?
I'm trying to get to it.
Because it's not letting me do it. Let's see.
If you go to the quantitative inferential procedures XLS,
Mm-hmm.
that's the one that you have to go to.
Oh, the inference one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still trying to get the body temperature notes. Does anybody know which one is it? Oh, it's under 11. Wait a minute.
Well, I'm still.
I'm having a hard time copying and pasting.
So is it under less than 10?
No, 11.
Well,
It's less than 11.
Wait a minute.
And it's under 3.1 body temperatures revisited.
Okay.
And it says Excel instructions.
Hang on just a second. Oh, there's less than 11. Okay. Duh. All right. Oh.
I have a silly question. Are you copying and pasting it from the reading or from our actual quiz?
I'm from the reading.
I'm
Okay.
trying to do
I
it
can't
from the
get it.
reading.
Okay.
I can't do it from the quiz because it won't work.
Yeah, it will let you from the quiz. It'll let you from the reading.
Okay. Oh, wait.
So what's it under in the reading? I'm sorry.
So it's under 3.1
Okay.
body temperatures revisited, and it's in a big blue box.
Okay, hold on.
I just
Oh.
don't know.
Because this has the quantitative inferential procedure.
Yeah, so if you click on that, it's supposed to.
Oh, it's already in that?
Well, I thought so, but maybe not.
If we have to put it in by hand, I'm going to be so mad. No, I'm just
Let's see.
I think we have to.
No. Okay, this will take us some couple minutes.
Well, I found it in the lesson 11 when you click on the. Well, let's see.
What in the world? I don't
I
want
was
that.
trying to click on it, Raquel, and it wouldn't let me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Okay.
Is it working for you?
Yeah, I clicked on that, and then they appeared like another, when it says the title says data, and then
The
they
one
have
test,
data,
right?
right, and then you find where it says body temp, and then you click on that because they have like a lot of like
Where did
files.
you find it? I am like totally.
It's in lesson 11.
Yeah, I'm there. I don't. Hold on.
Let me see, it's where.
Oh, I see the body temp. It's under step 2. Yes.
Under step 2.
Okay, did you guys get it in there?
I'm a
Not
close.
yet.
Okay.
I'm still trying. Okay, I've got this now. Hold on.
Crystal, you're so fast.
I gotta beat you, Mackenzie.
I knew you were competitive. LOL.
But we only go down to 98.2. Is that right?
98.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Copy. All right. I got it copied. Now.
Now, question 6, it's asking, what is X bar?
Okay, now wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, no,
So
no,
are we putting this into the quantitative inference procedures?
Yeah.
Excel? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm almost there, guys.
What is X? And round to 3 decimal points.
Oh my heck.
How do you even get X bar?
It's the mean.
Oh, it's the mean?
Yeah, the average.
Oh,
Yeah, the mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's 98.220. Would you agree?
Wait a minute. I got to see where I'm at here.
I
Where are we? Which one are we on? Oh, okay. I got it. What is X bar? Okay.
Crystal, what did you say you get?
98.220.
Okay, I got 98.234.
Oh, snap.
Oh, no.
So X that's the mean, X bar?
Yes.
Example mean. Okay. So I got 98.220.
Yep.
Okay.
It's okay, Raquel. We'll wait for you to get on that.
Guys, Kathleen and Mackenzie, did you guys enter in each field or did you copy like Raquel did?
I
copied.
I had to type each one in.
I copied them.
It wasn't giving me an option.
Yeah, mine wasn't giving me an option, so I typed it in.
Did you get that, Crystal?
What?
You got the 98.22.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if Raquel And she did hers differently.
But you know what? In the body temp, there's like 100.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, okay. So you only need to stop it, Raquel, at 98.2.
Yeah.
98.2.
In cell 24. In row 24, sorry. Cell A24.
Oh, that's why.
Well, that's why it's so different. Okay, yeah.
Calculate the T-score. Okay. What is?
Are you guys ready to go on to 7?
I am.
So did you say it's 98 point what?
220.
0.20. Yeah.
220. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So we have to find S, right?
Yes. So it's exactly the
So-
same as the standard deviation.
Are you using the applet?
No, I'm using the Excel. So the
Yeah,
standard,
that's what I mean. That. Uh-huh.
it says 0.922.
Yeah.
So that's your S.
Okay.
Oh. I was like,
That's what I thought. I just 0.0. Oops.
well, of course, that makes sense. All right. Raquel, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm kind of behind. Sorry, but I think I'm almost there.
You're all good.
Standard deviation. Oh, maybe this is.
I know.
T-score.
I have no idea what that is.
It should just be in our little
Yep,
thing there.
it's on the spreadsheet.
Oh, that is it.
427.903.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought I had to do some more math. I was like, oh
You
no.
No.
I like there's a Z-score and now there's a T-score.
And there's a P score.
Oh. I was like, this is getting ridiculous.
The best is the best is the degrees of freedom. I'm like, what is that? The degrees of freedom. Oh, brother.
What's up with all this stuff? But
I know.
to each his
That's
own.
what I was thinking. I'm like, who comes up with this stuff? Seriously.
So for the p-value, are we just going to put 1.282, or do we have to multiply that by something?
Well, if you multiplied it out, it would be 0.0000000, like,
Oh
Yeah,
I
it's like
think
to the
what they
10th
want-
power
yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah, so I think what they want is the 1 point,
282.
yeah.
I agree.
Okay, that's
Would you agree, Raquel?
Yes, I'm just like
Okay.
There.
for the data, but yes, I'm agree with you. So,
Okay.
because it's the one that it gives there.
1.282. Okay.
1.282.
Question 8. What did you guys say?
We
427.903.
Mhm.
Okay. Point. Oh. Did you say point? Point
427.903.
27.
Yeah.
29. Oh, for the. I am sorry.
What is the correct?
I meant for question 7.
0.922.
0.922.
Yeah.
And again, for question 8, you said 279.3.
427.903.
27.903. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Uh-huh.
Don't filter it. Okay, are you guys ready for 10?
Yes.
Are you feeling good, Raquel?
Yeah, let me see. What did you guys get for 9?
For 9, we got 1.282. Yeah, we just decided to go with the first four numbers on the p-value.
Okay, 1.282.
82.
Mm.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Okay, so question 10, it's asking, what is the correct decision based on this evidence? A, fail to reject the null hypothesis, or B, reject the null hypothesis?
Here we go again.
I
So
know.
the level
This
of
is like
significance-
the worst thing I can't stand. Is the fail to reject or reject? I can't stand.
Okay, so
Okay.
that has to do with that in less than 10, that has to do with the p-value being
Mhm.
less than. So is it fail to reject?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, because we take the p-value, and if it's higher than, what is it, alpha, which is the 0.05,
Yeah.
Mhm.
So
then
okay, sorry, keep going.
we reject it. if it's higher.
Okay.
Does that make sense? That's what I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So it says that if the p-value is not less than alpha, we fail to reject. So if the p-value is less than alpha, we reject the null. So it's not less than alpha, right?
Right.
Or is it?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So we fail to reject.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
I had to read it. I had to go back over it.
No, I'm
I
fine.
know, that is so confusing to me, too.
for my own personal sanity.
I think that is the most confusing thing. Okay.
Okay, so
I would agree.
So we're all going to put fail to reject for question 10.
Yes.
Alrighty. Use the following values which were pulled from the data file Baby Boom JSC for the next 6 questions. These
Oh, geez, we got to do that again.
I know.
Sorry,
No,
I'm
it's-
talking to myself.
These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them into SPSS. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim. You select H null mu equals 40 and H alternative mu, the difference 40. With the level of significance alpha equals 0.01. Oh my God.
So we gotta go open up the Baby Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, what in the world is this? That's not right.
But
Oh,
are,
there it is.
are we copying and pasting it into the same quantitative inference procedures?
I believe so,
Trying-
yes.
Okay.
What does it say? Let's see.
All right, I'm gonna have to copy all these again.
Yeah, because it's asking for the p-value and all that stuff. Yeah.
14, 37.
So the average time between births. Okay. Baby Boom. Minutes.
68.
So 59 through 61. Okay. 59. Oh, there it is. Okay. Copy. Okay.
55. Next.
Okay. Oh, I got it. It's less. Okay. We reject it.
What is okay, so
001. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got
Oh.
001.
Yeah, me too.
So
Yes.
we reject it.
So we reject it. I agree.
Okay.
Do you agree, Raquel?
So you are in question 11.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
What do you think the p-value is?
So I would say. So what did you do? So you take the T and put it in the So for me, I think the p-value is the one that it's in the graph, but I don't know if you've done that in the last one, in the previous one, because I'm behind and I am kind of lost.
It's okay. It's okay.
So,
But
Did you?
so if you can, like on your quiz, if you can copy and paste all that, is that what you tried doing last time and it didn't work?
yeah, what I did last time, since I copied like the 124 items,
Oh yeah.
I was
Oh.
like, and then deleting, and so I got behind, and then, but now I open it, and I opened it, and so I got it like good now.
Yeah.
But
No, it's okay. I mean, it's hard to do. I had to type mine all in again, and I'm sure Crystal did too.
I did. Yeah, I had to type it in.
okay. So now, how did you find the p-value?
So in the spreadsheet, it has the p-value already in there with when you've typed in your variables. So putting in 59 through 61, all those variables, it gives you the p-value of 0.00577956.
Oh, all right.
Do you
Okay.
see that?
Yeah.
So then if you round that to 3 decimal points, 0.001.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for explaining that, Crystal.
I mean, I guess if you haven't really played around with it a whole lot, it's confusing. I haven't played around with it a whole lot. So I kind of had to like go, wait, what?
So did you guys see that this one is the level of significance is 0.01?
Right.
Right, but it's less than, so we reject it. Yeah.
Yep, on number 12.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna put 0.001 for question 11.
Mm-hmm.
And for question 12, reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, so are we ready to go into 13?
Yeah.
Okay. You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use alternative mean is less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease?
Oh, it increased. I think.
Level of significance for the last one is 0.01.
Because you have to change it with that little box on there. I think. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No.
Okay, hold on just a second. So it's equal or not equal. Oh, let me see something here. Equal or not equal. Not equal to. Okay, I think we have to do something with this little box. So on the Excel spreadsheet thing, where it says the type of test,
Yeah.
there's greater than
So you
or less than or not equal to. So I'm wondering if the first one,
greater than?
I think the first one, it was either equal or not equal to. Isn't that what it's asking for the hypothesis if you go up?
Yeah.
Maybe because it says equal or not equal to.
Not equal.
So I wonder.
This one says this time use your greater than.
Yeah.
Alternative hypothesis.
So I'm thinking that we were supposed to click the equal or not equal to on the first one. So that would change our p-value.
Yep, it would.
So
So we want to put it as not equal to, correct?
Well, what did we do on the first? Yeah, on the first one, the p-value is 0.001.
It still gives
One.
us 0.001.
01. Okay, right. Okay, that's
So
correct
it still
then.
stays the
So I-
same. But if you put
Right.
it back to greater than,
Uh-huh.
I would say it decreased.
Let's see.
So where did you change it?
So in cell D11,
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
it has a drop down arrow,
Oh,
and you can change
Right.
it to not equal to, less than, and greater than.
Mm-hmm. So the p-value on the first one was still the point. Let me look back.
0.001.
mm-hmm.
So we reject it, or that's still the same, right?
I think it's increased a little bit, hasn't it?
No, because, okay, so the first initial p-value is 0.0011
0.001.
55912. And if you turn it to the greater than, it's 0.000577956. So it decreased.
So wait a second. I'm looking at something
But
here.
I thought we were changing it to not equal to.
That was the first
No,
one.
The first one was supposed to be not equal to.
Sorry, that's what
Then
you guys.
this one is the greater than.
Okay, sorry.
So
It's
yeah, we
greater-
got kind of confused on that one. Up above,
So
we were supposed to have it as not equal to.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one,
But this one is less than.
it's less
Right.
than, not greater than.
Yeah, it's less
So
than.
you change it to less than.
Okay.
So then that would be 0.999422, blah, blah.
Mm-hmm.
So then it increased.
It increased.
Uh-huh.
I was doing the wrong one. Sorry, guys.
No, it's okay.
Fine.
My
no.
what do we call those, carrots or
These- these
whatever?
cells-
My half of a triangle.
no, it's okay. These cells in
Okay,
Excel are so confusing. I mean, they get mixed
so
up.
the p-value increased. Okay, I got that.
So for 13, we're putting increased.
Mm-hmm.
We have 3 more.
So the p-value is higher.
Yep.
Yeah, so we fail.
Reject it. We fail to reject.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Does that make sense? Okay.
Do you agree, Crystal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. On to question 15. Sorry.
Bless you.
Bless you.
My bad. Okay. Now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital. Question 15. What is the lower limit of this confidence interval?
Okay. So, do you guys remember?
Trying to.
So it's the 196, I think. Is that what it for 95%?
Yeah, 1.96.
Where is it?
6. No. Are we doing
So it's 1.96.
95, 1.645?
Wait a minute.
I'm totally lost. Sorry, guys.
What is it? What is it asking for? Let's see.
Are we?
Oh, don't we just do the same? Isn't it in there where the confidence level is?
Yeah.
Isn't it already in there?
Yeah, I thought that's what Crystal was saying.
Is that what Crystal said? Sorry.
Because
So we don't have to figure it out
it's already there.
because it's there.
Yeah.
Now wait. Is that right? Wait a minute. I got to think.
Mhm.
The
So
low-
it's already there. We just have to do the lower limit and the upper limit.
yeah.
So it's a 95 confidence for the true mean. For the true mean. So we don't have to do anything with the, wait a minute. With the sorry, with the less than or the equal than or any of those. Change it.
1.960.
Oh, it doesn't change it at all.
No, because
On
we're
there.
just looking at the mean.
Yeah, that's
of
true. Okay.
40.048.
Okay.
And we have to calculate the upper and the lower limits at 95%.
So it's already, yeah, so it's already in there.
So we just copy and paste it, right?
So the 23,499, is that what we're saying?
Well, that's the confidence interval. Yep, for the lower, I would say that's correct. And then for the upper is the 56.597.
Wait, I thought it's the mean and plus or minus all that. Not for this chapter.
Well,
They had already calculated it for you.
Okay.
So
Do you
the
see in the one sample t-test, like down below, it has the T, the DF,
Mm-hmm.
the p-value, and then the confidence interval,
Yes.
and
So
it calculated
okay,
it for the above
okay.
and the lower.
So it is just giving you that. Okay.
Yeah.
and it is round to 1 decimal place.
Yeah.
Yep. So you just have to round it.
So it's just 24, right?
No, it's going to be 23.5
Okay, 23.5.
because you're only rounding to 1 decimal place after the decimal.
Sorry. I'm making you guys.
3.5.
Okay.
23.5
6.6.
and 56.6.
Yeah.
Did you already submit it?
No, but I can be the guinea pig.
No. Y'all have to do it together. I'm just kidding.
Could you tell me again the answer of question 9, please?
Yeah.
Just
Let me go back. It's 1.282.
I'm sorry. Could you say it again?
1.282.
Okay. Mhm. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey guys, we missed 6 of them.
Oh my gosh.
No.
We missed 8, 9, 10,
Holy cow.
11, 12, and 13.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
8, 9,
I don't understand it.
8.
What? No way.
Did you say 8,
Yeah.
9? And what else? 8, 9.
We missed
Let's see.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
8, 9, 10.
So at least
11.
13, 12, 10 are all easy. We can correct those easy.
Oh my god.
Let's see. 5 is 1.5. I'm just writing all of these down that we got.
8, 9, 10,
6,
11, 12.
90, 220, 7, 0.922.
What a pain.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we missed the first one that says, what is the t-score? But you know what? Maybe what we did is we didn't change that little box with that one. You know, like we had to before.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what we didn't do. I don't think we did. So this is the body temp. Let's see.
Mm.
So what are you guys doing? Are you working on number 8 or
Yeah, I am
I'll
working.
be working on number 8.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.
Okay. I gotta copy these again.
It's okay. Same.
Copy. Okay. Okay. So, question is, the hypothesis or the alternative is the mean is less than 98.6. So, that's what this one is already marked to.
Mm.
427,903. Huh. The next 2 questions. Okay, that's not right. 98.6. So the mean would be less than, let's see.
Even if we did.
What?
I think I
Yes?
figured out number 11.
You're on number 11?
Yeah, because I have that data already.
Oh, okay. So let me go to number 11.
7.
Oh, so we missed 11. Okay. So did you figure it out?
I think I did.
So what happened?
7. 98.7. I can't believe you figured it out, though. Whatever it is you figured out.
Whatever it is, I figured it out. Oh, okay. So it wants to know. So we had to change the null hypothesis to 40, and it was set on 10.
Oh. Oh.
So I'm pretty sure that that's what happened up above for the other ones is we had to set the null hypothesis and we didn't.
Duh. That makes sense.
Right?
I figured that out, though.
Okay, so I don't have this. I have the other one input. So what is what is question 8 then? Oh,
Question
no.
8 null hypothesis is 98.6. So you have to put that in
Did you already do that one?
null
I'm sorry.
hypothesis. You have to
Are
put
you on
98.6.
8? I thought you
Sorry?
were on 11. I'm sorry. Are you on 11
No, I
or
am
8?
on 11. I thought you were on 8. Sorry.
I am. So, I mean, what was question 11 then?
Okay, so question 11, I'm just checking all the answers into what I need. Sorry. And then I will put it in. Okay, so are we not, okay. So I just have to change the type of test to not equal to. Okay.
And then
so
put 4.
It changed our p-value to 0.995270372.
Okay.
So that's going to put it at, what are we rounding to? 3 decimal points? So 0.995.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And then 12 would be the second one then.
right? Because we had to change, so we failed to reject it.
Yeah.
And then if we put in less than, it decreased.
It decreased. Okay.
Yeah.
So 13 is A. Okay.
Okay, so then going up to 8.
So
I bet you that's what we did. We just forgot to.
I think
that.
you're right. Okay.
question 11, did you say 0.995?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.995.
So 8, we have to put in 98.6.
No.
We put that into the mean?
No. You put it into the
I'm-
null hypothesis. So it's going to be D10.
Okay. Got it. Now what did I do? I just totally messed something up
Okay,
here.
sorry, I totally cut out. So what did you guys put for 8?
We're getting there. Haven't gotten there yet.
Okay, I just screwed this up. What happened?
Oh gosh, I keep It's so much fun.
Okay, something is wrong.
Okay, what did you guys put for 8 and 9? I cut out when you guys were talking about that.
We haven't gotten there yet, Mackenzie.
Oh,
Well, at
okay.
least
You guys
I
were
haven't gotten it.
the other one, right?
Yeah, we were on 11.
All right. No problem.
Okay, so here, 98.6.
And U is less than.
So what is
I-
X? So the alternative hypothesis is less than. Okay. So those two are right. Okay.
What is the T
So for number
score?
8, T score is negative 1.843.
So let me ask you, Crystal, when you put that in, the 98.6 in the null hypothesis, right?
Yeah. And then
you
the
do
type
the
of
less
test
than.
that we're
Uh-huh.
doing is less than.
And then did it change everything? Because mine didn't change.
Mine was already set to it, so that's why mine didn't change. What do you
Because
mean?
my
Yours
T-score,
didn't change, it's like-
my
So your
T-score didn't
T-score, what you
change.
have.
My T-score is still this 427,903.
Oh.
So I don't know if
when
you
I
have,
put in the null hypothesis of 98.6, everything changed.
mine didn't for some reason. Maybe I'm having a problem with it for some reason.
So my T-score is now negative 1.843.
Mine is too.
And
Yeah.
and my p-value is 0.040.
Oh.
Okay, wait a minute.
0.0.
Mine for some reason isn't working.
So for the null hypothesis, you put 98.6 and then type of test not equal to
Less than.
or
Less
less than.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
So hard to remember.
So you put in 98.6 in column D10,
Mhm.
and then in D11, you're going to drop down to less than.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So Crystal, what did you get? Negative 1.843
Yes.
for 8, the T-score, and then P was what?
I got 0.040.
Okay.
Is that what you got, Mackenzie?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Thank you for saying all that because I wouldn't have changed those two.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so
Yes.
number 10 would be we reject it.
Right.
Correct? B. Okay.
Standard deviation.
Is less than. Okay. I think I got it.
Wow, I can't believe you were able to catch all that. That's
I'm glad.
so helpful.
Good job.
Yes.
With
So
the
that's why
lucky
we
shot, guys.
win our lives.
So for question
yeah.
90, put only 0.040.
0.040. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And then we reject. Okay.
68 to 15. Now I'm working on the next set. I just want to make sure my calculations are good, up to par.
Okay.
Come on, computer. It's tired. Okay, are you guys doing your quiz again?
I am.
Okay, me too.
I'll submit it and let you know.
36, 47.
4 is no. 5 is 1.5. Okay, 6. 98.220. 7. 8.
Okay, we got 100%.
Awesome. 9. 0.040.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm really happy that we're done this week.
Girls,
I know.
what did you put for 12? Did we put reject?
Oops. Hold on.
Which
Okay,
one?
you know what?
For number 12, I got fail to reject.
Fail to reject because it was higher.
Yeah.
995.
And the p-value in question 11 was 0.995.
That is correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
14. 15. 16.
Okay, I'm submitting mine. I yield.
Okay.
Okay.
Woohoo! You got 1,000%.
All right.
Me too.
Okay.
That was fun, guys.
Oh, yeah.
That was an
Hey,
adventure.
That was. At least we're done. Huh?
You know what? Those 2 lessons were not bad.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
I mean,